This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
This operation is much quicker and more efficient if the car is first taken on a journey of sufficient length to warm the engine and gearbox up to operating temperature. Jack up the front and rear of the car and support it on axle stands. The car must be level for the check to be accurate. Remove the engine undershield. Draining. Locate the drain plug at the bottom of the gearbox. Remove all traces of dirt from around the drain and filler/level plugs. Place a suitable container underneath the drain plug to catch the used gearbox fluid. Remove the plug with the appropriate size square drive and allow the fluid to be drained completely. If the oil is hot, take precautions against scalding. When the oil has finished draining, clean the drain plug threads and those of the gearbox casing. Fit a new seal to the drain plug. Fit the drain plug and tighten it to 24 Newton meters. Refilling and checking. Locate the plastic filler/level plug and clean the area around it before removal. The plug is located close to the left-hand driveshaft on the 6-speed gearbox models. Unscrew and remove the plug. This could be very tight. Check the condition of the filler plug seal and obtain a new one if necessary. Add fluid using the specified type of lubricant until the gearbox oil level is correct. Access to the filler plug on the 6-speed gearbox is limited. We used a large syringe and a length of tubing. Fill the gearbox until oil starts to flow out and allow excess oil to drain out completely. The oil level should be up to the lower edge of the filler/level plug aperture. Once the oil level is correct, refit the filler/level plug and tighten it securely by hand only. Note that frequent need for topping up indicates a leak, possibly through an oil seal. The cause should be investigated and rectified. Refit the engine undershield. Lower the car to the ground